All right, don't bake that with the cake. Got 3 eggs going in, 8 ounces of melted butter, cup of water. All right, now here's where it's gonna get a little interesting with this cake mix. We got a cup of peanut butter, give or take, because today we're making a peanut butter and jelly poke cake. Get all this nice and mixed up. Make sure it's all nice and combined, worked in. Guys, I saw this cake on the net a while ago, probably on Instagram, TikTok, something like that. And I was like, yeah, I gotta make this. So you get to make it with me. All right, y'all, we're nice and mixed up, nice and combined. Let's take our baking dish down here, give it a little spray, and get your batter in there. This is nice and thick and rich. Just get it nice and smoothed out. So it cooks nice and evenly in there. All right, team, we're gonna put this in a 350 oven, about 35 minutes, give or take. We'll use a little cake tester to make sure it's good to go. Guys, I'll have a link to my website with the ingredients and prep down in the comments down below. All right, so check it out. Other than that, I'll see you in a sec. Fresh out the oven, give it a couple minutes to relax. Now it's time to poke some holes in it. We got some melted strawberry jelly. And we're just gonna fling it over the top. Try to get it in the holes. Just take your spoon and smooth it out. Some of it got melted. That's actually a piece of strawberry right there. So it's not totally the fake preserves. Guys, that is real strawberry. Go team. I used about a half a cup of jelly, all right? Just because I think it could overpower this if you use much more. But if you want more, do a little bit more, all right? What's a poke cake without a little Cool Whip? Whip. All right. Just get a couple dollops on. I don't know if that constitutes a dollop, but you know, go with it. All right, get it spread it on out. Drizzle a little strawberry jelly over the top. Got a little melted peanut butter. There's the dish, folks. Let's chop into it. One thing I want to tell you guys is let this thing cool down before you start putting that whipped cream on top. Whoa. It's a little crumbly, but you know that's gonna be money. Yeah, you could already tell the Cool Whip's melting. I didn't let the cake cool off enough, but it's still gonna be good. Guys, this is sweet. It's a bit savory too. Let the cake cool down before you put the Cool Whip on there. Don't do what I do, all right? Sometimes I get overzealous. It is what it is. Guys, make this because baby, you know it's good.